Let's clean up the territory! Roger! Look how much trash I picked up!
Wow, wait, isn't this your favorite spinner?
Spinners are out of date.
And this drill? I think it's still working.
It spins, but it doesn't drill.
Fine, but pencils, what's wrong with them?
Chewed by an enemy agent.
Right! Soldier Sam, belay to clean up. Set a course for a craft. A military one, if you're okay with that.
Sir, yes, sir.
Hi guys, I thought of a cool craft made out of the trash Sam's picked up. Today we're going to make a safe blaster to shoot cans or plastic cups.
I guess we'll need lots of cardboard.
This piece is a bit too much. Plus, we're going to use coverboard. Sam, do you like smashing?
Sam, smash! Of course!
Great! Then can you smash 6 of your old spinners and get the bearings?
Bear what?
These metal pieces in the center.
Got it!
In the meantime, I made these coverboard sticks with a wooden core.
Woo! I didn't know that you needed them, but I did it! Sam, smash! Wah!
Roger, build! Put the bearings here and screw it onto the stick. Place the bearings on both sides. Done! Guys, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit the bell button.
Sambo's here! I made, glued, and painted these cool pieces!
Wow, great job! Now let's put all the pieces together. The circles and the sticks with bearings.
Roger, why'd you decide to make a blaster? You don't approve of any kind of weapons.
Yes, I'm a pacifist, just like Sue. But since you're in this military outfit, I decided to make a craft in this theme.
Yes, my costumes are the best. Well, I got a lot to do.
A warrior dragonfly. That's your coolest costume, Sammy. Anyway, I'm going to finish this part. Let's fix it well and add some glue. There.
Roger, these sticks are perfect for making a movie. It's like a bamboo forest.
Mr. Sambo, can I continue making the craft? By the way, you've made great sticks.
Now we'll make something special out of cardboard and a mini cap. Roger, it's a blast!
No blasts. This is a paper craft, and it's afraid of fire. It's more like cold math and a sea of accuracy.
Sounds like a strong craft potion. Go!
Sam did the same with the second stick.
And invented this seesaw. It's multifunctional.
Let's set these 2 pieces in their places. They will play a very important role. There.
Whee! And I'm improving my vestibular system.
Wow, these are big words you're using. And where is your vestibular system exactly?
Sounds like it's somewhere in my stomach.
Wrong. Any other ideas?
Roger, the system can be anywhere, even in your leg.
In our legs, there's the musculoskeletal system, while the vestibular system is in our head. Sam, where are you?
You know, Roger, sometimes I think people just pretend to be people, and actually are all robots.
Why is that, Sammy?
You know, all these systems. Sounds kinda robot-like.
You're gonna get a robot phobia. Can robots do this? Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Huh. That's too precise for a person. Why do we need them anyway?
You'll see now. We need them to make a barrel for the blaster. This piece here, and now the rest.
Fine, but I still don't understand why you need this accordion.
To make it sturdier. Pieces placed like this form a sturdy base.
It reminds me of a cake. It forms a good base in your stomach.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like sweets like Sammy. I want to draw your attention to this one piece. It's made of coverboard as well. It has one peculiarity. Its upper edge reminds me of an extreme slide. There are also these holes. I'll tell you later why we need them. Now let's set it on its place. There we go. Carefully now. This piece sits really tight. Time to use Sue's bobby pin. She gave it to us for the craft.
Roger, I give up. I can't win.
Is there a battle somewhere?
Yes, I tried to defeat my stomach and eat 10 Nutella toasts.
Wow, that's a serious battle. Guess Nutella was stronger.
Yeah, I need to lie down. Finish without me.
I kinda started without you too. Well, let's continue. In the meantime, the bullet throwing mechanism is ready. We need to make the blaster rotate automatically. I'll need my old drill pieces for that. Also, this funny piece made of paper, cardboard, and wooden sticks. It must be right here. Sammy, are you running some special operation there?
Yes, I need to find all the crystals. Cookie stole them.
Crystals? Cookie? What's going on? Are we already in the Marvel Universe?
Roger, while you were docking your shuttles, you forgot the most important thing! This blaster needs bullets! We'll make them out of pencils chewed by Cookie. Imagining their magic crystals makes searching for them even more fun!
Wow, cool idea. I believe in your power and skill.
Yeah, no, your craft looks more like the ISS, not a blaster.
I guess someone has been watching popular science shows again.
How did you know?
Well, the ISS, the vestibular system, I guess someone wants to become the first slime in space.
You're almost right. I'm gonna be a guardian of the galaxy. I am Sam. Or I can be Rocket Slime. Sounds cool.
Well, then you'll definitely need our blaster. Rocket Slime is on a super important mission. He's making bullets. In the meantime, we're making a trigger. We can use old drill pieces here as well. I've already soldered new long wires to it. Guys, remember to be careful working with the soldering iron. Or better yet, ask an adult to help you. Let's hide the mechanism under the cardboard. Glue it carefully. Now we need a piece like this. The edge is cut at an angle. We'll need it to connect the pieces later. And this hole is for the wires. Now let's connect these blaster pieces.
Roger, important correction.
Yes, Sammy? I'm all ears. Did we make a mistake?
You made a mistake calling our craft simply a blaster. This is a complex but safe weapon for defeating the plastic cups.
That's a big correction, but every weapon has a personal name. What you told me is the technical name.
Well, I have a suitable name for this craft. Raj the Destroyer! What do you say? I thought this craft should have your name.
Sammy, it's cool, but why the Destroyer?
'Cause I'm Rocket Sambo, and you're Raj the Destroyer.
Quite philosophical. Give a thumbs up to Sam's creativity. I'm using this insulating tape to protect the wires. And this is a side piece with a secret. I'll hide the battery and the motor inside it. Alright, here comes the system. Careful. Whoop. Close it well. Perfect. Now everything's neat and beautiful.
Speaking of beauty, I made some decor for the blaster. Check it out.
Not bad, Sam. Let me add one thing. And one more here. We'll need it for the magazine. Now let's lengthen the barrel. It's time for the last part of our craft, the ammunition belt. Let's insert these wooden sticks into the holes and fix them with some glue. Now let's move to the mechanism pieces. These tiny pieces are a part of a complex mechanism. With its help, our pencil bullets will fall into the blaster. Also, check out this funny piece we need. We place it here, and then pull the string through the whole mechanism. Make sure to choose a thick string. It will constantly rub on the mechanism pieces. That's why we need it to withstand the loads. Let's stretch the whole mechanism now. The elastic band will serve as a spring. and push the bullets inside the blaster. Here comes the finishing touches. Alright, let's test it. Perfect, it works! Well, our ammunition belt is ready. We're ready to test our craft. Sammy, is the shooting range ready?
It sure is. The targets are all set.
Let's put the bullets into the ammunition belt and attach it to the blaster. And fire!
Holy cannoli, that's so cool! Roger, you're awesome. You made a blaster and shot almost all the targets down.
Yeah, I'm cool! Guys, subscribe to our channel to not miss our new videos.
Huh. I'll be back.